I help my mother daily. I help my mother daily. I play with my friends. I play with my friends. I finish my work on time. I finish my work on time. I listen to my teacher. I listen to my teacher. I write in my notebook. I write in my notebook. I carry my school bag. I carry my school bag. I walk to the school. I walk to the school. I sit quietly in class. I sit quietly in class. I answer the question. I answer the question. I learn new words daily. I learn new words daily. I share my food happily. I share my food happily. I keep my room clean. I keep my room clean. I fold my clothes neatly. I fold my clothes neatly. I take a short rest. I take a short rest. I water the plants daily. I water the plants daily. I watch the sky quietly. I watch the sky quietly. I say thank you always. I say thank you always. I go to bed early. I go to bed early. I wake up early morning. I wake up early morning. I make my bed neatly. I make my bed neatly. I take a quick shower. I take a quick shower. I wear clean clothes daily. I wear clean clothes daily. I tie my hair properly. I tie my hair properly. I drink warm water daily. I drink warm water daily. I eat my breakfast quietly. I eat my breakfast quietly. I pack my school bag. I pack my school bag. I leave my home early. I leave my home early. I wait for the bus. I wait for the bus. I greet my friends happily. I greet my friends happily. I enter the classroom quietly. I enter the classroom quietly. I sit on my seat. I sit on my seat. I open my notebook quickly. I open my notebook quickly. I write neatly in class. I write neatly in class. I listen very carefully. I listen very carefully. I follow all instructions. I follow all instructions. I complete my classwork. I complete my classwork. I ask questions politely. I ask questions politely. I help my classmates kindly. I help my classmates kindly. I take notes daily. I take notes daily. I close my books slowly. I close my books slowly. I leave the classroom quietly. I leave the classroom quietly. I walk back home safely. I walk back home safely. I change my clothes quickly. I change my clothes quickly. I wash my hands properly. I wash my hands properly. I eat my lunch happily. I eat my lunch happily. I take a short nap. I take a short nap. I finish my homework early. I finish my homework early. I relax with my family. I relax with my family.